Now we're ready to start adding the tissue paper to our project. So we're going to end up with a final product like you see here. On the back you'll see is where I need to finish up adding the tissue paper. So as you saw in the last video how to cut up to make all of the little slits in the paper, you're going to do that same thing with the tissue paper. So you're going to cut your 2-inch strip, you'll fold it in half a second time, and then open and cut on the crease to the first folded line, and then you're going to fold back your 2 sides so you are now ready to attach it to your project. And when you're ready to attach it to your project, what you're going to do is get the project in a nice comfy way. You're going to put some glue onto a separate scratch paper, and then using just your finger, you're going to take just little bits of glue and you're going to rub on the glue where you want to attach your first strip of the paper. So I've just applied a nice even coat. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my cut, ready to go tissue paper, and I'm going to attach it to the glue all the way around, and then trim up the amount that I need. And I'm just going to kind of push all that down to secure it in place, and I'm going to go on to the next spot. So again, just rubbing on the glue. You want to make sure that your tissue paper butts up against its one before it, so that you're not seeing any of the form or the construction or the newsprint which we used. And again, attaching right across. I want to come all the way up to the edge, and now I have a little bit of an angle that I'm going to try and cut here. That it matches up on the side. And then I'm gonna push those down, and now you can see that that blocks out any of that newsprint from underneath. So I would just continue going all the way across. If I have little areas at the end, I might just take little scrap pieces, dip them in the glue, and attach them on, so that now I've hidden the underneath newsprint. I would continue doing the same process until I've covered the entire project, and you will be all finished with your final project.